I went to Levine's the other day, get some pants, me and my niggas. I was gonna steal them, I didn't have no money. Met a girl there, trying on some skirts. I was like, what's that smell like? And she was like, I don't know, some more. I was like, bitch, give me a chicken sandwich with some salsa fries. I was like, she was like, we went to this place in the mall. And she was like, what are you gonna have to eat? I was like, I just sucked your dick and you nutted.
You know what's good though?
I was like, who's this nigga?
Bitch, you ain't no nerd. Could've sworn you were.
Bitch, you ain't no nerd.
40.
Could've sworn you were.
40 to win 60, but I bought 40 staff.
So,
as long as 1-1,
try to make up to me a little bit by sucking my dick a little bit.